Hi friends, I wish you all a very happy Ganesh Chaturthi and I wish you all a very happy Ganesh Navaratri season. Today I am going to present a shloka on Bhagavan Sri Ganesha. Pranamya Shirasa Devam Gauri Putram Vinayakam Pranamya Shirasa Devam Gauri Putram Vinayakam Bhaktavasam Smare Nityam Ayushkamartha Siddhaye Bhaktavasam Smare Nityam Ayushkamartha Siddhaye Vidyarthi labhate vidyam Dhanarthi labhate dhanam Vidyarthi labhate vidyam Dhanarthi labhate dhanam Putrarthi labhate putran Moksharthi labhate gatim